Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Yeah, so I'm here picking up Kimani sneakers. They've been calling, but I didn't feel like, today I feel like coming. So.
You need to.
They tried to call me the other day, but I called back a number that called me. Then nobody picked up. No, I text. I should open it, make sure everything's good. Open the bag? Yeah, please.
What size?
9.5.
Put the receipt in the bag.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, so I got his package. I'm about to go to Walmart. I'm about to go to ShopRite. I need some water. Oh my gosh. No. I got the Golden Crust one for $19.99. This is $9.19 and this one is $15.99 and the big one is $24.99. Jesus, I don't know. For some reason, I feel like this is cheaper at Key Food or something. That's where I think. You know what? I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna go to Food Bazaar for the cheese because I'm not buying it here. So this is what I just picked up. All the pastas here is $1. So I have the card. I have signed up for the card. So he told me to just give my number at the register, the cashier. So yeah, I'm gonna get 4 of them, but let me just get 2 right now. I don't need much. It's my price, okay? Look at that. It's only thighs though. And then they got the legs over here. The price, $3. This is where you come and buy chicken. Okay. This is where you come to buy chicken. This is my spot now. I don't know why I never came around here when I lived right up the block. Literally up the block. 26. Ooh, I love these prices. I want to get one of these so bad, but I'm not going to do it. It's like $3. And then they have this one with all 3 of them. Oh, they got the pistachio one too. Wow. Interesting. Got the fudge one. Oh, that looks good. I don't see no great nuts or anything.
This is a new Oreo mint ice cream. It says new, so. But no, when I go on TikTok, I'm gonna see it. So TikTok got everything. I'm sure on the ice cream, but I had enough ice cream already when I bought from Aldi's, so I'm not gonna buy no ice cream this time, even though I want to.
Guava. Ooh. Passion fruit. That look good. Mango. Pineapple. $5 though. Outside waiting on the Uber, but this Uber is taking forever. It's like 1 minute. 1 minute is feeling like friggin' 4 minutes. Like, where you at, bro? I do not like people. I swear. Why this fucking Uber driver cancel the ride? You see me outside standing on that side, right there by the post, right? And he driving past. I raised my hand. I'm like this, and he like 1 minute, whatever. So he drove through the thing. I thought this thing was coming around. This thing would cancel the fucking ride. Like, are you dumb? I can't stand people. I guess he wanted me to walk all over there. Like, no, I'm paying for the ride. You come pick me up right there. I'm not. No. I'm not traveling across the street when I'm on this side. Cars, the last time I came here, the other driver, he picked me up on this side. So, if you don't want to do it, oh well. That's you losing money, not me. That's so dumb. You expect me to fucking cross the street. No. No. I'm paying you. Bring your ass right there. Where you see me at. That's usually how it works. You pick up the person where they're at. Right? Right? Am I bugging or not? Because what the hell? You will cancel the ride just because I don't cross the street, nigga. Anyways, I have another Uber coming for me right now. Let me get off here before I miss this one because I don't got time. Some mac and cheese. I'm about to tear it up, but I gotta open this package. So I bought some crochet here. I'm gonna do when I wash my hair because I'm tired of wearing wigs. I need a break. My hair needs to breathe. Which I didn't do crochet in a long time, so I'm gonna get some crochet. I'm gonna put it on the screen where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, but obviously. I'm gonna put it on the screen which one I got, just in case. Yeah, I got this order right after I got the Temu order today. I just didn't do it on time. I just didn't do it right away because I have other things to do. It's a 12-inch 8-pack. It comes with a needle. It was $23.99. So we're gonna open it and show you how it is. What's wrong with this thing? Why is not? Why don't want to open? We're just gonna rip it open. Oh, okay, so this is how it comes. I have like two of these, but this is cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this when I wash my hair. Yeah, I'll do it next week. I bought the ghost pepper noodles. You know how long I had this in my cart on Amazon? And I'm like, should I get it? Should I get it? Because I'm scared. I was low-key scared, but I bought it. So I'm going to go to Popeyes and see if they have the ghost, if they still have the ghost pepper wings. I'm going to do it with this. Yeah. So it's two. It was two for, I think it was $7.99. I have something else in here. What was it again? Oh, it's heavy. Oh, I hope they didn't break my stuff. I forgot. Oh, I hope they didn't just throw my shit out on the porch. Because I handle it with care. It's heavy. I didn't need so many. I'm mad because I went on Shein today and I saw that they had. I did not know Shein had these bottles. If I knew, I would have been bought it. But of course I'm gonna see when I bought it from Amazon. Like, come on. But anyways, so I paid so many bottles. I don't even need so many bottles. It's just the fact that I was trying to get a reasonable price one. I'm trying to get a reasonable price one for a good amount. These is 24 pieces. This is one I got for $16.99. Funnel. Come with a brush. Come with the labels and the pencil or pen or whatever to write the stuff on there. Here they are. Open it. Let me see the size. Shein, I cannot believe, I did not know Shein. I got what's her name? Shami. I'm watching Shami. I saw she posted a video, a vlog, 42 minutes. Oh girl, She don't usually post vlogs that long. I think this is probably her first or second one. Probably a second vlog that's this around this length, or probably third vlog. But she usually posts short vlogs. But her sister, Petite, posts long vlogs. But alright, so here are the labels. I like them, and I think I just ripped it. Oh, damn! Why would you put it on top? Why you just put it? See, and look, and then they got the foam. Like, why would you not put it right here and put the foam? Now you made me rip my labels, man. Come on. So I think it's two of them. It's two or three. It's two. And they got the labels. All right, I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna just take out one and show y'all, because I'm not about to take all these. Oh, it's a good size. And it's heavy. It's good. Oh, I like that. I cannot wait to do this. Yeah, I need to put my seasonings in different. Make more space in the cabinet. Yeah, these are 4-ounce jars. Hey, I like that. All right, see, here's the funnel. I was gonna buy one on Shein. I was gonna buy one on Temu, but I saw that it came with this, so I'm like, I'm not buying it. And then there's the lids to put when you open the jar, because it's not, there's nothing on there. So you gotta put these clear lids on it and then cover it up. I'm excited. Honestly, I was gonna buy it, but I'm like, it makes more sense, but I don't think I need 24. This is 24. I don't need all these, but whatever. It's good to have a backup in case one of them break. So this is the stuff, the thing to wash it out. I like this. It's cute. And it's the pen. Or pen's marker. Why is it so hard to come out? Yeah. So y'all remember this? I put up this in January. I picked it from what was it, Walgreens or CVS. Why am I just not opening this thing? I had it sitting between my thing for the longest. But I'm like, I'm not using this, so I just left it. But I'm about to open it right now. It's what's it called? A mixer, cake mixer. Where I bought this from again? I don't even remember where I bought it from. I think it's Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. Why is this thing so hard to open? Like, come on. Yeah, it's a hand mixer. Hand mixer. When I'm baking, I don't really bake. I think this is like what, $10. I know, like, decided to get it. The amount of, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. I can always get my own place. Oh my gosh. But this is a hand mixer. This is how it looks. I'm not taking it out the box. I'm just showing you how it is. Yeah. The first time I've ever seen jackfruit in person. I never saw this before. Oh, I don't like how it smells. I got some melon though. Got some crab legs. Look at this big fish. This is a croaker. Is that it? This is huge. But I need some red snapper. I'm gonna get these. 40.
Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah, homie, keep on my diamonds and six. What's your name?
This is the 40 pink. Snapper. $10.99. That's too much. I'll go with the 40. Clean this. This is octopus. My first time ever seen this. Yeah. The baby one. I got shrimp. lunch.
Okay. Only clean?
Yeah, clean. $10.79. Thank you. The East Coast ready. Yeah, lots of it. 10-15 minutes to clean this thing. Time I still come back. $10 for them. Not bad. But that's $11.99. I got the cheese right here. $12.99. These are cheaper than ShopRite. But I just got a bun I want national bun. The cheese now. How much the cheese was again? I don't remember. I'm gonna get this one.
Bazaar. Ahorra y compra más todos los días en supermercados Food Bazaar.
My bun right here. Oh, see, this is the one I got last time. This one is $7.99. That's not bad.
Okay, I'm seeing the two different prices. What is the total? Oh, I had this in a long time. Let me get this one. Let me get the big one because my cheese is big. Oh, damn, I don't know which one to get. What is this one? What's the price? You know what? I'm having 2 3 cashier first. Picking up 2.
I'm gonna get one bowl. Like buy one bowl and buy one bun so we can eat with the cheese. I think that's good, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I don't wanna get that big bun, that's too much. It's only me.
Girl, don't forget your fish. I know.
I swear I never see these 2 packets before.
When did they have Ramdison? I didn't even know they had this. When did they come up with this Spanish water? And so they have finally see upscale one. Where is it? I literally just saw it. Where are we going? Oh, they're here. I'm blind. Like, at least they have sale 5. Oh, actually $10. That one is $10.99. I don't know why. Well, the cheese them on the
10,000 bonus points when you upgrade to the new app and sign in for the first time. For additional information, visit the customer
Then I have
service
this one. This little one, $11.69, and this one, $12.99. No, tell me that makes sense. That don't make no sense. I don't get it, but I'm gonna get this one. And over here, Grace on sale. I don't know this. I don't know if they don't have the curry powder on sale. So the seasonings, except for the curry powder, I don't know why. I should get this. Maybe all purpose. Maybe all purpose. I should.
You have the Alaska on sale as well.
Siempre nos esforzamos por brindarle una experiencia de compra feliz
Kind of
y
orange.
segura. A lo largo del día, nuestro equipo revisa la tienda y las condiciones.
Cherry berry, wow. Ooh,
Base de que esté limpio.
I'm gonna try this
Sin
one.
embargo, si ve algo derramado o basura en el piso,
Carrots.
y gracias por ayudarnos a mantener.
We don't have one home, but these are super 4. Like, can you beat this? I see something is over here. 2 for $3, baby. This is a deal. Watch out. Look at these. I don't see these drink before. Spur tree. 2 for $4. Ah, damn, it's a lot of sugar though. Look at that. I don't know. We have guava, mango carrots. Oh, that one sour one. Oh, they have a sauce up one. Oh my god, I want to try this. I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. Like that. called, guys?
Low tire goes.
Oh, what was that one there? There you go. Off it already.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We got the 2-time spicy ramen, but they don't have a single. We got the first one right here. 5 in a pack. It's on sale for $7.99. But look at this cheese. I don't like. I don't want to have a single, like loose ones. Don't nobody want to buy this one all the time. $6.99. What's the price for these eggs? They're bugging.
Real hot girl shit. Left on my stomach, do the cry, baby, cry back, hold it open, now he annihilated, feeling like a bitch when he hit this. You probably wanna wear my hat. Thank you. Like to be another nigga, he'll hate you.
I'm waiting for the bus. I wish the bus would hurry up. Can't even see how light the rain is drizzling. It's drizzling so light. How can this bus at, bro? So I'm just sure what I get from the supermarket. So this is cute. I'm gonna put the tajin. That's nice. Even though I have. That's cool. And then look what I found on sale. I always see them when I go to the that supermarket, but I used it on sale. It was 2 for $3. $2 for $3. Okay. I was like, okay. That's a steal. I was gonna buy 2 more. I was gonna go get 2 more. But I did not, because I don't need that much. But that's for my white shirts. But this is some bola. I should make a TikTok too, because I was recording. I don't really need chicken seasoning, but you know, just for backup, just to have. And then this is cheese I got. This one, I'm looking into cameras, so this one I got the tasty cheese. All purpose. This is on sale. And then I got the fish seasoning. Yeah. And then I saw this. I never saw this flavor last go. So I got it. It's cherry berry. Water peppers. I want to see how much it was. Let me see how much the water pepper was. Because I think it was 1 something. Oh yeah, it was $1.89. And I bought some oats because I started drinking hot water and oats. Like you boil the water and boil water and throw it over your oats and just eat it like that. Put it on before your breakfast. It's supposed to shrink your stomach. So yeah, that's something like that. And look at these. Sauce up. I picked 2 different flavors that I don't normally drink. Cause you know the regular flavors. The other flavors is like regular flavors that we always drinking. So I choose these 2. So this sweet though. 57 grams of sugar. It's 68. Ugh, I'm not going to dilute it. And sea bunny here. National bun. This one I got last year. And I got some fish. Porgy fish. 4 of them, it came up to $10.79. The snapper was too expensive. I was like, no, I'm not buying that. And there's another, let me get carrots. I saw I picked up premium malt. I think I'll probably put it up. But yeah, so I think this was 2 for what? I think it was 2 for $3, the last go. 2 for 4. My bill was $69. So berry cherry and carrots. I never had carrot Lasco before. So interesting, right? So yeah, I'm prepared for Good Friday. Today's Wednesday. I'm not cooking today. I am not. I just had Chick-fil-A. I went to the city to do something, and then I had a lunch date. So I had some Chick-fil-A. It's crazy because I had in mind that I was gonna do a video with all the spicy chicken sandwiches, and then this person so happened to jokingly saying, "Oh, you buying lunch?" I'm like, "No, you buying lunch." So yeah. And then he's like, "Okay, what you need?" So I'm like, Chick-fil-A. And I ended up getting the spicy one. So I'm gonna show it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I'll get a spicy deluxe. I'll have to put this in the fridge because I'm gonna season it Friday. I'm gonna put it on Friday. I have chicken, so I'm gonna put some chicken for Kimani. Yeah, so I'm not in the mood to cook. I am tired. Actually, after I ate that food, I had the itis. Like I was sleeping on the train. But I'm a New Yorker, so I know when to open my eyes and get up and stop. I know. Facts. I gotta wash my hands. I gotta send that on my phone. Am I the only person that when you go outside, and when you come inside, I think I said this before in the vlog. Like every time I go outside and I come home, I always sanitize my phone. Sanitize the whole phone. Take the case off and sanitize it. And even when I even go in the bathroom, I sanitize it because germs is all over. Okay. You can go in the shower, wash your face, and go in your bed, and yet your phone is still dirty. Make that make sense? That don't make sense. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I've been cutting out rice. So rice has been out of my diet before Lent. That's what I decided to do for Lent. Was cut out rice. I haven't ate rice since way before I went on. I didn't know I had pasta. It wasn't rice. I told them my the outing that I went with Carmel. I thought I had rice. It wasn't me. It was her. She had rice. I had pasta, but I think Lent started the next day. Or was it the same day? It's been a month. No, it started from February. So yeah, it was a whole month. I think I could do that though. Like just not eat rice for a while. Oh, these look good. Oxtail plantain bombs. Oh, that's delicious. That looks so good. I'm gonna get some oxtail one of these days. I know I said I'm not gonna do it, it's too expensive, but I'm gonna do it because I want some oxtail. My bill, I told you my bill, right? My bill is $69, and the other day when I went to ShopRite it was $55. That wasn't bad, but I only went in. Let me show y'all. Let me show you my credit, my card. Let's see the bill. I only went in there for bun and cheese, and fish. That's really it. But I mean, it's not that much, but it came up to a lot. I feel like, why does I'm looking at the counter right now, and it's looking like it's only a few stuff. Why is it so much money? That's how, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 items. But yet, it came up to $69. That's crazy to me. 16 items. What's 16? I count 15. What's 16? Oh, the fish. I forgot. Yeah, $69, bro. Oh my god. I gotta pay up this credit card. Like this was a good steal. I didn't really need oats, but look at this. This is a decent sized bag for. This is quick oats that I like, and it's non-GMO verified, 100% natural quick oats, and for your healthy heart. 3 grams of fat, 4 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein, and 10% iron. This was $2.99. Oh, how many pounds is it? It's 40 ounce. How many pounds is 40 ounce? $40 to a pound is 2.5. Okay, 2.5 pounds. Alrighty. I wasn't good in math, so yeah, I had to check that. I don't care. Math was not my favorite subject. Okay, hated it. Still hate it to this day. I don't like MASH. But it's, yeah, I'm gonna take a thumbnail and then go try to edit a video. I'm trying to put a video up tomorrow and Friday. So yeah, I'm gonna edit a video right now. I mean, I started editing it already. I'm gonna finish it up. It's a Temu order. Sometimes you just gotta look at yourself and be like, you're so blessed with having to buy food, because some people out there don't have anything, and that's I be feeling bad. I be feeling sad about that sometimes. So I swear to God, I be grateful for everything that I have, even things I don't have yet. Just be grateful for what you have, because people out there don't have close to what you have. Okay, just be grateful. I keep thinking to myself, girl, you don't need nothing else. Stop buying, stop buying, stop buying. Every time I go to the store and I see something I like, I want, I get it. That's a little pep talk. See y'all.